Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert document to PDF using iPhone. So as you can see, here's a document file, and now I will convert this document to PDF. First of all, you have to open a browser on your iPhone and search for doc to PDF converter. And then here you will find lots of website where you can easily convert your document to PDF. But right now I'm going to using this pdf2go.com website. Tap on choose file and choose files and select the document which one you want to convert, and now select convert and scroll down and just tap on start. And as you can see, my document successfully converted to PDF. Now just tap on download. Once it's downloaded, go to your files app and go to the download folder, and here as you can see, the document just converted to PDF file. So this is how we can do it. If this video help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.